morning, day 2 of this bike trip from Ojos Negros to Valencia. So last night I slept in the cabin hut. I didn't film this last part because I was really in a rush to arrive. It was like promising rain, the weather, so I was rushing towards the refuge. But as you can see, it's really nice landscapes here. There is like a huge valley where the railway used to go. That's where I'm heading now. I just came to the mountains to sleep in the hut because the valley is like no trees at all to hide myself, and it was really windy. Look at this beauty. We can see the valley down there already. And I will record later, otherwise I will have an accident here. I leave the mountains behind. I don't know if you can hear me. It's not so cold right now, it's like 11 degrees, but I don't know, the real feeling must go down like 5, 6, I have no idea, but it's so windy that the wind blasts against me. It makes me feel so cold that if I don't keep pedaling I will just freeze cold here. So I'm trying to go, not having much stops because it's really cold here, but the landscape is worth its every inch here. My God, it's so amazing. When you go to a village to get supplies for your trip, when you start to listen some instrumental playing on the streets, it's not a good sign. And after the music band, I started to see the stores closed, supermarket closed, everything is closed. So I asked to the only two men I found, Portuguese of course, and yeah, it was a holiday here. There was just the coffee shop open, so I bought something, but all the rest was closed. And I'm really lucky on these kind of things, because you remember in Santiago trip in Pamplona, it was everything closed as well. So everywhere I go, it's holiday. If you don't feel like working in a specific date, contact me, I go to your village and it's gonna be holiday on that day. Yeah. my place to camp. I will set it up here in my tent. I am in a mountain pass. Look at the views. The highway and the railway as well. There is a train station over there. It is a nice and open place. Look at this.